Hello, and today I'm gonna play Galaxy Attack Alien Shooter. Oh, chest. Oh, I can open that. Please give me something good. Oh, the full stones. Oh! Whoa. Hey, wait just a minute. Who used all my money? Mom, yesterday did you use all my crystals? Last night I got 12 crystals. Why just now I have only 2 crystals? I'm going to need to ask my mom right now. Mommy. Mom. Did you use 10 of my crystals?
Yes, sorry.
Why did you use it?
我不知道我怎么弄没的，sorry。但是我是不是？
妈妈的是 why?
哎，你不是在 upload video 吗？
Yeah, I am. My mom used it. Why? Today we are going to be level 21. Hey, my mother got 90 and 20. Good. Let's go, baby. Hey, I like this song. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but actually I like this song. Oh, the first one already got Thunder Blade. OP. OP. Overpower. Oh, no. I don't want that one. That's totally bad. Actually, I'm gonna warn you guys. The Hurricane Hawk is actually very bad. Let me tell you why. Because the Hurricane Hawk, when it is already six like 6 boosters out, fire 6 boosters out, it only can it only can be a normal ship, but only with the first booster, a normal ship, the Pulse Blast. Yeah, the Pulse Blast, who is a noob. It fire out there like that. No. Bad, whatever you are. Whoa! Where did you come from? Holy macaroni and cheese! Holy cow! Where did you come from? Oh no! Sorry for that noise I made. But I'm really scared right now. Can't hit me. What the heck? What the heck is that? What the heck? What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Oh, luckily. Wave 11 also got this. I totally want to use this. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, what the heck? What the heck is that? What the heck? Okay, never mind. What can I do here? My mother. Oh.